AIDA is one of the market leaders in the metal stamping equipment. We address our product mostly to the automotive industry and to the automotive industry supply chain. We manufacture presses with a wide range of tonnage, from basically 80 ton to 3,200 ton, and then over combining several machines into a production line.
Considering that we launched in the market our new 400 tons monoblock press, we are pretty sure that this kind of solution could be a very good product for the Hungarian market, that usually they are looking for a reliable solution that can give them a high level of productivity. We as AIDA, we decided to work with SHM Consulting because they are a well-known company in Hungary. Being sure to have the best support from them, we start this kind of collaboration, giving them a full turnkey solution.
The other secret is, of course, to have a reliable product, but also to be present very close to our customers. Specifically in Europe, we have a headquarters in Italy. In the plant, to give you an idea, we have the full manufacturing process of a press. So we start from cutting steel plates, welding them, machining them to final assembly prior to delivery to the customer. So the complete manufacturing process is in our hands. The complete quality control of the process is internal, because that's a philosophy of the group AIDA worldwide.